Hey there. I'm trying to make something Korean today, or Chinese, I'm not sure. I think it's Chinese. It's gonna be a spicy garlic chicken, I guess. Wish me luck. You need lots of pans and like little pots, little immerser, but maybe you don't need it. You need oil, vinegar, rice vinegar or regular vinegar, I think it doesn't really matter. Rice syrup, but I couldn't find it, so I'm going to use just something to sweeten it. You can also use sugar, soy sauce, potato starch or any kind of starch. I think I have only this, but it should work. Salt and pepper, rice, you don't chicken of course. You need leek, spring onions, an egg, an onion, regular onion, ginger of course, chili, lots of garlic, and chili flakes or dried chili. I made a list just in case you want to take a screenshot. So let's do this. First of all, I just cleaned the leek. Let's cut it. Okay, I just crushed the chili and oh, it's giving me fucking, the fumes are making me fucking sneeze. Sorry, I think in between cooking I have to clean my nose. That's crazy. So I'm gonna heat up the oil. I'm gonna perfume our oil that we're gonna use for cooking later. Okay. Okay, now like this. Oh, I love this song. It's not unusual to be loved by anyone. So, cut the garlic in half. I think the big pieces you can even make quarter pieces. Yeah. So, put the garlic in the pan. Okay, garlic is getting ready. Oh, this track. You hear that? Fuck. It's Mr. Robak Rumme. It's not enough oil. Whoa. He used to be part of I seriously had to Google. Of course, he was part of the project Beefcake. Fuck, I'm so stupid. So let it cook in. It needs to be a little, it needs to have color, you know? It needs to be a little crispy. Because this is basically the vegetable in our dish. I love this. Sorry. I will probably edit this out. Or not. Let's see. Come on! Get some color. Well, in the meantime, let's cut the chicken. Mouth-sized pieces, I would say. You can, I think, one chicken breast is good for one person. So I'm making way too much. Oh, it's getting color. Yeah. Look at that. Beautiful. Just a little longer. Let's have a look. Yeah, this looks not bad. A little more. It should be really little crispy, you know, in the end. So, to the chicken. We are going to add ginger, of course. Be generous. Yeah. And so ginger, soy sauce, not so generous please, because we're going to make the sauce separate later. So this is just for seasoning basically. Instead of salt we're using the soy sauce. So pepper and mix it up. And let's marinate it. Let's have a look at this. Oh yeah, this looks very good. Oh yeah. It's nice and crispy. Turn off the heat. And take this out. So the heat is off. Now we're going to add the chili flakes. Ooh, the fumes are fucking hot. Oh. So we're gonna strain the oil now. So next is the vegetables. Let's cut everything into pieces. I think I prefer to make it like I did with the leek, you know, not too small, like this, and then make strains. This is for the sauce now. I think I'm gonna get rid of the seeds. Oh, there are no seeds. Perfect. So listen to the bass line. Sounds like good old Duff. Fuck. We're gonna take care of the sauce now. you have to use measure cups or just do it like me, like on the fly, you know. So soy sauce, like 2 tablespoons, I would say. Rice vinegar, I'm gonna mix rice vinegar and regular vinegar because I want it to be a little sour. Use 1 tablespoon. We need water. Half a cup. Yeah. And we need Speisestärke. You know, starch. One tablespoon. But be generous. Whoops. And of course we need the rice syrup, but I don't have it, so I use agave syrup. And mix it up. I'm gonna add a little more soy sauce. It's not so pretty. Yeah, that's better. A little more syrup. Put it on the side. So now we're going to take care of the chicken. We're going to add the Stärke, the starch. You know what? I forgot the fucking egg. Ah, I'm so stupid. So let's see if this works. I'm sure I fucked it up now. We just need the egg white, not the yellow. Ah, shit. So I guess I'm gonna add a little more starch now. Oh, I'm so stupid. Yeah, this makes more sense. So I'm going to heat up the second pan and add oil to it. Be generous because we're going to basically fry the chicken, you know. I'm going to use 2 oils to mix it up a little bit. So this is one of the best, what is techno acts? It's techno, yeah. One of the best techno acts as of late. Like, I love them. Giant Swan. Really, really good stuff. That's a little older though, but fucking amazing. Yeah, now it's bubbling. Come on. Yeah, that egg and starch thing was not very smart. But let's see, maybe it works out in the end. If not, maybe I post this shit anyway. Let's see. Because why the fuck not? Nothing to lose. Yeah. So, let's have a look at the chicken. It looks pretty good. It's like golden, you know, it's not brown. Let's take it out. Let it rest a little bit. Yes, very good. Okay. Of course, I made a mistake because we have to use the chili oil I prepared before. Well, whatever. So we don't need all this dark stuff, so just the clean oil. But now we have a little bit of the sesame taste in that. I don't mind. Messy cooking with Daniel Meyer. Yay! Our chicken looks good. So it's frying the second time now. And it looks fucking perfect. So as soon as this had got some color, we're gonna turn down the heat, but it looks still okay. When it got the color, we're gonna add the chicken and we're gonna add the vegetables, the leek and the garlic from before. And then we're gonna add the prepared sauce. And then it's basically finished. Oh, let's hope it's good. Let's hope it's good. Chicken looks fantastic. Okay. Yeah. Little bit more. It really needs color. Look at the chicken. Beautiful. I'm gonna add some salt to the chicken. Because I like it salty. So yeah, this is starting to look good. The chili gets a little color. So I think we can turn down the heat a little bit. It shouldn't burn. So let's add the vegetables from before. No, I think we're gonna add the chicken first. Oh yeah. Beautiful. Okay. Oh yeah, this looks good. So let's add the leek and the garlic. Fantastic. Oops. So, and now the sauce. Ooh, let's hope it's gonna be good. Ja. I'm gonna add more soy sauce. I love soy sauce. Okay, come on. So, let's see what I made there. Chopsticks. It's sweet and sour. And oh yeah, spicy. Woo! Wow. Okay, let's make it pretty, I guess. Okay, so except for like mixing the chicken with the starch, first do it differently. Mix first the chicken with the egg white and then the starch. But it's really, really good. I like it. I hope you like it too. Enjoy.